Guys, you're welcome to the channel again. In this video I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can record a WhatsApp call on an Android device. So WhatsApp does not come with an out of the box option to record calls because of privacy concerns. So you typically would have to make use of a third-party feature in order to do that. Now on most Android phones you would have the screen recorder feature. I have one on the Samsung device I use, and you probably have one on any device that you use. If you don't, then you might need to download a screen recorder for this purpose. Say you've downloaded a screen recorder and you would like to record a WhatsApp call. You activate the screen recorder. I've already activated it, and that's why you're able to see my screen. You click on the WhatsApp app. After clicking on the WhatsApp app, you check the contacts you would like to call, or the contact you'd like to video call. Call them on video, and after calling them on video, you are able to see the contact on video call. So it's very simple, very clear. That way you'll be able to call the person, record the call, and then save the call to your mobile device. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.